Okay, Sound of Decay 3 is Lord Dying, Clandestine Transcendence. It would seem that 2024 will start off with a bang, judging from the quality of the fourth full length from our favorite sludge metal lumberjacks, Lord Dying. The band continues to experiment with the genre surfing that began largely with 2019's Mysterium Tremendum, with additional flavors provided by new bass player Alyssa Mocare, M-O-C-E-R-E, Mocare? With additional flavors provided by new bass player Alyssa Mocare and drummer Kevin Schwartz, both of whom joined the band just after the aforementioned release in 2019. Of course, there's plenty of the band's signature molten riffing, trample you underhoof percussion, and gruff vocal husk, but there's also a fair share of acoustic bits, psychedelic interludes, female vocals thanks to Alyssa, and lyrical guitar harmonies that combine to make this much more than a run-of-the-mill sludge metal affair.
The band continues to push song lengths, most around the 5 minutes, with the exception of the 6+ minute Final Push into the Sun and the 8-minute Monolith, Dancing on the Emptiness, a track that moves from skronky mid-pace to keyboard-enhanced thunder before ushering in the dreamiest guitar solo on the entire record. A Bond Broken by Death is quite a departure. Progressive in a hammers of misfortune sort of way, with the acoustic intro, clean vocals, and guitar harmonies. Of course, it's not to be confused with a Gong record at this point. Cuts like lead-off single I Am Nothing, I Am Everything, packing in 5 minutes of pure high-on-fire informed violence. Perhaps the most interesting cut on the album is Soul Metamorphosis, which alternates smartly between trippy interludes and brutal beauty, building up to a near thrash crescendo to close itself out. Heavy, catchy, and laced with variety, Clandestine Transcendence proves it was worth the 5-year wait.
Okay, let's play a song that says I Am Nothing, I Am Everything.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.